The U.S. Supreme Court took an important step today toward possibly ending a woman's right to have an abortion.
The court heard arguments in a Mississippi case that openly challenges the Roe v. Wade decision that legalized abortion almost 50 years ago. News on 6's Alex Cameron was at the Supreme Court for us today.
Well, people on both sides of this extremely emotional and divisive issue circled this date on their calendars months ago, and they all showed up in force today.
It was a war of words, competing rallies. One of the voices at the pro-life rally belonged to Oklahoma's very pro-life Senator James Langford.
48 years ago, folks in this building said every state mandated must give the ability for people to kill their children, and that needs to change now.
The 6-3 conservative majority court heard arguments in Dobbs versus Jackson Women's Health, a case that arose from a Mississippi law banning most abortions after 15 weeks. Under 1973's Roe decision, states can't regulate abortion until after viability, about 24 weeks.
This is a historic case that goes right to the heart of Roe v. Wade. Can a state protect the lives of a child even before that child is viable?
Court analysts believe the questions justices asked today suggest a majority will uphold the Mississippi law, but it's less clear if they might scrap Roe altogether.
If the court comes down with this decision saying that Roe v. Wade was inaccurately determined, it goes back to the states. Then our state, like every other state, can decide at what age we're going to protect the life of a child and what does that look like.
Oklahoma and 21 other states have already passed laws to outlaw or severely restrict abortion if Roe is overturned. And right now, the future of Roe appears tenuous on account of Dobbs.
That allows us to go back and relook at this and say, did we get it right way back when? And I'd make the argument no.
On the way, these rallies today are somewhat anticlimactic as the court won't actually announce a decision in this case until next June. At the U.S. Supreme Court, I'm Oklahoma's own Alex Cameron.